Still can't really believe you can find something this nice on Amazon, but you absolutely can. I have seen these kind of bar stools in my friends' apartments, in Airbnbs, things like that. And when it was time for us to find some, these were the perfect option. As you can see, guys, on top, really, really nice. I believe it's faux leather, but it's still really high quality. It looks beautiful whenever light's hitting it. It's easy to clean, very durable. The base is also extremely sturdy. So this is not a wooden base like you would find on most bar stools. That is metal. It is metal with like a matte finish to it. So from far away, it does look like it's wooden, which is pretty awesome. It has little adjustable legs on the bottom. If you know, just for whatever reason, you just kind of want to level it out or something like that. But very easy to put together. Just a couple screws on the bottom there, a couple screws on both sides, and you're done. So assembly, super easy. The quality, very high. I love these things. I think for the money, it's a perfect little pairing.